Let me know if you would like to see dedicated makeup tutorial or makeup video. If you guys want to see it, I will do it. There's absolutely no way my girlies will want to see something and I will not deliver, okay? So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey girl, my name is Lucy. I always say to stay subscribed. We have a good time on this channel. Now, as you already seen by the title, today's video is going to be a different one. We're not chit-chatting today, unfortunately, but stay tuned. I have a juicy one coming. Today's video is going to be about this hair and also, you know, a little get ready with me on this makeup look. I know you guys have been asking for a makeup video. I just kind of slipped in this one for you guys, so I hope you enjoy it. Now, today's video is actually sponsored by Hergiven Hair, and oh my god, you see the hair, right? You see the hair and you know that it is gorgeous. You cannot say this hair is not gorgeous. And oh my god, the color, wow, on my skin, it's giving everything and more. Grab your popcorn, grab your wine. If you want to do your hair while I'm doing my hair, or do your makeup while I'm doing my makeup, like literally you can do that. So let's just jump right into the video. So today's video is going to be a wig install and it's from Hergiven Hair. I love their packaging. As per usual, they put in like a satin bag, hair care and instructions. Oh, this picture is so beautiful from Mara. So pretty, you guys. So pretty. This is black girl magic hair. I love her hair. And then they put in the wig, of course. This is the blonde goodness highlight that I'll be working with today. So I have their curly 3C4A texture type of hair. I have it in the length of 18. Now the hair comes as per usual with 3 combs, so 2 at the sides and 1 at the back. And this is supposed to be a 13 by 6 lace. By the way, the name of this particular wig is Hair in Your Coils wig. That's what it is. And this is basically giving a teapot wig. A teapot wig is usually the one that has like lace in the middle and then lace at the sides. But anyway, we're going to work with this hair today. It comes also with an elastic band. Lately, I haven't been using elastic bands. Like, I don't know, I just don't really like elastic bands with my wigs. So I'm just going to cut it off and we're going to install this hair quickly because I have somewhere to go. It is Friday afternoon, evening actually. Let me put it on. Oh, before I forget, actually, this wig came pre-bleached, pre-plucked as per usual, so I didn't touch it. I'm not going to do any kind of work to the lace. Quite frankly, with this hair, you can't really do so much with the lace. It's not really as versatile. I'm not going to wear this for so long, so I'm going to be using Got2b spray to lay down. So I'm just going to apply directly to the lace because that's how I like to use like my Got2b for my installs. So now that we're done with the hair, we're going to move on to makeup. And honestly, it's been a long time, a really long time that I did a makeup video, and I know that I owe you guys one because I know a lot of people have been asking me to do a makeup video. I don't think I'm good. I'm going to start doing like get ready with me's and all that stuff. I'm not going to be talking through the process of doing my makeup because you guys, this is literally my introduction, you know, back into doing makeup on YouTube. So let me just start though, okay? Let me just, baby steps, let me just ease my way into it. But I did go ahead and do my brows off camera because there's absolutely no way I'm going to do my brows on camera. It is not possible because you guys, baby steps. But this is how the brows are looking. They look really nice today. Maybe because they know I'm on YouTube and guy, they don't want to embarrass me.
You got that something that can't be seen. You got that one thing that's hard to come by. It's not your styling, it's not your jeans. No, what you got is deeper within. And your friends don't even know what you got. They just hang with you cause you earn a lot. You should lose them all and start hanging with me, cause I'm the only one who can see. I don't need your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need your pretty smile, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. The things you're saying, it blows my mind. The way you're thinking, it's hard to keep up. You got that beauty and all the brain, yeah, what you got is deeper within. And your friends don't even know what you got. They just hang with you cause you earn a lot. You should lose them all and start hanging with me, cause I'm the only one who can see. I don't need your dreamy eyes, no. I don't need your pretty smile, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need. I don't need your edgy style, no. I don't need your hang-arounds, no. I just want your perfect mind, yeah. That's all I really need.
This is how the makeup turned out. This makeup is basically my every day, every occasion, every event type of makeup. This is like my quick to go type of makeup for any event. And also this is how the hair turned out. Oh my god, like I'm absolutely in love with this hair because you can't tell me nothing. This hair is gorgeous. The curls are amazing. The hair is soft. This is just the perfect spring summer type of hair. Like literally, it complements my skin tone so well. Thank you so much Hergiven Hair once again for sending over this beauty. I have the direct link in description box below. And also if I have a coupon code for the wig, I'm going to add it in description box as per usual. Definitely. Let me know your thoughts on the hair, the makeup, just about everything in this video. Let me know if you would like to see dedicated makeup tutorial or makeup video. If you guys want to see it, I will do it. There's absolutely no way my girlies will want to see something and I will not deliver, okay? Follow me on Instagram, linked in the description box and as well as on the screen. I'm sure you've seen it floating around here, there, and all that good stuff. Thank you so much for watching this video and I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye.